A mattress too soft will soak in your body, and a mattress too firm will create gaps between itself and your body. Both can cause pain and stiffness. So, today I will unbox this Bedsure hybrid foam mattress topper and cut it open to show you what is on the inside and how it can provide the right amount of support to relieve the back pain. Now you can see over here that in the middle layer we actually have 3 different zones. And the most important part, guys, is the one that we have over here just in the middle of the mattress topper, because this one is the most firm one. This will offer you a really good support in your spine and your waist when you are sleeping. So this actually acts like a mirror of the edge shape of your body. So this will actually give you a better support even if you like to sleep like in one side of the bed. This will also offer you a better support all the night and you will avoid a lot of pain. Moreover, the top layer is made of a soft memory foam for extra plushness, while the bottom layer is made of a firmer standard foam for those who desire a stronger back support. So if you really like and enjoy this unboxing, you can find our products on Amazon like Bedsure Hybrid Foam Mattress Topper. Thank you so much for your time, guys, and remember that you can follow us also in our Bedsure store.